Hi, I'm Dylan from Dodson Watches, and we're going to build a tiny little NH05 watch for my daughter's 8th birthday.
See, this here is the NH05, and this is the NH35. Huge size difference. Here's the case of the NH05 for my 8-year-old daughter, and then here's the case of like a men's, I think this is a 36 millimeter. So that could be a woman's watch too. It's a little bit smaller, still much larger than this NH05. That being said, this is even more difficult than making a regular watch, but still very doable. Alright, so this is all still the same. We just got to get our dial onto the movement. We want to make sure first that this is at exactly 12 o'clock, and we do that by setting our time. So right now I'm aligning the movement, pull this out to 3rd position, and now change the time. I'm going to turn it over as if we were going around until this little date wheel moves and spins over to the next date. Alright, so there it's 12 o'clock. Alright, so we had to tear that apart, take off the hour hand that we put on, because the dial was not sitting flat on the movement. I couldn't figure out why that was happening. I did now figure out why. These dial feet, they really put these dial feet on basically by hand, solder them on with these little contraptions they have, but the one is just a little too long, so we got to trim that down. I think I'm going to use the Dremel, and then with the Dremel we'll just take it down a little bit. It shouldn't need much of a dial foot. It's a very small little movement. I'm just going to take them both down. I don't remember which one it was. Alright, so now we are finally ready to do the hands. So I've been messing with this, we took a long break and now we're back, so I'm just going to do this again one last time right before we put the hands on. I like to use this watch cleaning stick with a little piece of Rodco or watch cleaning putty on the end of it. And that allows me to kind of like pick this up, place it where I want, press it down on. Got a nice smudge on there. See how well it flips over. We did it right. Perfect. Alright, so we need to wipe off our smudge before we go to the next hand. Time for a minute. Pretty good. Let's see, definitely very level. All right. Now for the hardest hand, the second hand. We should be able to use a flat press on this one. Back up a little bit. And this does not, the NH05 does not hack and stop, the second hand does not stop when you're setting the time like on the NH35 and 34 and all that. So as soon as I put it on, it immediately starts ticking and we know it's on right. Let's make sure all the hands are not going to impede it or anything like that. Oh, I keep hitting that. You gotta pull out that third one. There we go. What time is it, Amelia? Oh, it is 4:35. Oh, we gotta hit that little minute hand with polisher. Amelia, come pull this. Here. I need you to grab a hold of this little green thing here and pull it out when I tell you. Don't pull yet. Pull it. Nice. Perfect. Alright, I think we got this cleaned out well enough finally. Alright, that looks good. I think these stems, unlike NH35s where you have to cut them, these should be already cut to length. I just have to glue it on there with some Loctite, but it should be already cut for the size of the case. 5 o'clock on the dot. Has the O-ring already positioned, so just gotta leave it go, put it on. Ourselves a lady's watch or a girl's watch. This is very small. Let's compare this to, this is a 36 millimeter men's, and That's another 36 mil. Let's see here. This is a 40 mil lens. So as you can see, a very big difference in the size. Now we're going to put our strap on. We got a crocodile strap here. It'll just move. Oh, yeah.
So it's a bit big, but it fits.
Yeah.
Is it real leather?
Well, it's supposed to look like that.
You put it on backwards.
Like that.
I'll put it on.
Go away, let me see how it looks. That's a good size for you.